Hi everyone, Noam here, and my goal for today is to get you creatively active. As a composer, I try to regularly practice writing music with specific constraints and under time pressure. And I believe that any kind of creative can benefit from this sort of challenge. So you can either follow the challenge yourself, or just get some inspiration by watching me work, or do both. In today's challenge, we're going to orchestrate a little musical build-up in 30 minutes. The rules for today go like this. First, I'll spend 5 minutes fixing up the piano sketch since I noticed that there was some clarity missing there. Next, I'll create the bass part using basses and cellos doubled by the octave. Then I'll spend 7 minutes creating the main part using high strings. We'll spend 10 minutes gradually adding in low and high brass to intensify the music. And finally, we'll spend just 3 minutes adding a little bit of timpani for even more drama. A new twist for today: any time left over from one segment can roll over to the next one. So let's get composing. If you want to join me, pause the video right now, load up your DAW with a piano sketch and the instruments that I just mentioned, and let's get into the first segment of fixing up the piano sketch. 5 minutes, and that's starting right now. Okay, so let's first of all just listen to the piano. Okay, I want to have it as clean as possible, so I might be able to actually just copy and paste, which will save me a ton of time. A little bit. Okay. Out of time there. I'm hoping it's much clearer now. I did a lot of quantization of the timing. Yeah, it's still not perfect, but hopefully it will be useful enough that I could actually copy and paste parts of this into the instruments in the orchestration process and save a ton of time. On to the next section. 5 minutes for bass part, and that's starting right now. Okay. So let's actually just, like I said, try and copy, paste it in here. Don't think I need to double this because it's already doubled. Or maybe I'll have that quiet and sort of come in gradually. Okay, so I decided to just stop there. This part could definitely benefit from some MIDI automation, but I decided to wait with that and save up the 2.5 minutes for the next segment, which will probably be a lot tougher. 7 minutes for the main string part, and that's starting right now. Okay, main strings. Let's make sure we have the right articulation here. Spiccato. Yeah, maybe something like that. Sort of. Okay, we're out of time, but I'm gonna add the other 2.5 minutes. But I remember that the next part is not in Dorian, so maybe we can try to sort of go into more of a Ionian sound. Okay, as I expected, that was tough. But we got something going on. It's an exercise. And yeah, let's just go on and see what happens in the next part. So 10 minutes for the brass, and that's starting right now. Brass. Let's start with the low brass. What will we do here? I don't know. Let's see what we came up with here. Sort of questions and answers. Some high brass. That's a little too much, that minor second thing. Not easy, but as I said, pushing myself out of my comfort zone. So that's great. And something's happening here. I guess creating this kind of a build-up is something that's either less intuitive for me or is just objectively more complex than just orchestrating some melody like I did in the intro. But yeah, let's move on for the last 3 minutes of adding in some timpani. 3 minutes starting right now. Okay, 3 minutes is really not much. I don't know, maybe something like that. Okay. 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 So that's that, I guess, for the half an hour. Now we have to listen to this because I'm not even sure what I did. So let's listen to it and I'll be right back. And that's it. There's definitely a buildup going on there. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with what came out. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments. If you learned something from this video, if you enjoyed watching me work or did it yourself, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. That means a lot to me and will help you get notified the next time I upload a video, which will probably be just the continuation of this track. Until next time, goodbye.